I'm in a car with somebody who I don't know. Who are you? Oh, just saying this car is absolutely free. I'm moving. I feel uncomfortable with this man in my car. It's morning. Oh, this makes a noise. What did he say? I don't suck. Don't leave. I think he's got a YouTube channel. Dislike him. Dislike his YouTube video, okay? Dislike it. What does it say? I don't have kids. I don't have kids. I'm going to text back to him. Oh gosh. I don't have kids. Are you? This man is saying horrible stuff to me. He just said, are you recording? I don't know. How does he know I'm recording? Why did he say lol? Alright, I'm on the tape. Oh my gosh, it's so glitchy. Hell. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm a bus driver. La 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 la. I bet you this man's place. Oh my god! It's actually annoying. Oi! Shut up, you. Stranger. I can't spell. I can't believe stranger is He's gonna find me! Oh no! I wanna. There's someone at the. Oh my gosh! There's someone at the window, guys. He's smashing the window. I don't know. He's gonna kill me. Oh my god. Help! I'm gonna run. Help! He's banging I'll just say I'll wait for him. There is drunk people in this house. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. Guys, there might be music on for the whole thing. I'm armed. You stranger. Is that? Oh, it's probably boring. I'm going for a bit. Just to unlock the door. Alright, I'm back. Nobody's there. Okay. That stranger's gone. Where did that stranger go? Who's that? Who's that in my house? No! Who is that? Who are you?
You suck.
Who are you?
The guy who kept saying you suck in the chat.
You're the Alfie.
Yeah.
Why are you in my house?
I broke it.
You idiot! Wait. Did you not break your window? Oh my gosh, just not open that door. Ah! Looks like I'm gonna have to play in this twit for the rest of the video.
No.
I'm going to rob something. If no, nothing's open.
Okay, guys. So I am actually not on the same game as this guy. That was a trick. The whole part. I'm actually gonna leave the house, and I am. So if you see me, then this guy won't point it out. Whoever sees me in one part of the video, whoever sees a bit of my hair poking out on the part of the video, and they put it on, you will get a prize of nothing. You will get the prize of my trust.
Oh my god! Hey! That luxury gold thing's open.
Hey,
I'm gonna rob it.
hey, can you friend me?
No.
Fine.
You're a meanie. You're the one who snuck into my house.
Well, you're the one who let me in.
I thought it was someone else.
What, do you think I was just the postman walking around?
Yeah!
You are! So it just comes in your house?
Yeah!
So I'm actually Alfie Cameron from, I'm actually Alfie Cameron from YouTube. You can find me at Alfie Cameron. I just given myself a shout out. I'm not even allowed to do that because that's just going to give me more subscribers than him.
Yeah.
But make sure you subscribe and click that bell to me.
Like and subscribe to me, and if you and say in the comments, say
Hey, do you want to see us
no,
big?
no. I wanna change the settings though. No, you stranger.
I'm not a stranger.
Yes, you are. No, you're not.
Well, I only snuck into your house.
You should look at my house and you kept on saying you suck. Can't believe I have to be this twit for
I'm only telling the truth,
60
man.
minutes.
I'm helping you.
Wait, I suck.
No, well, look, man, can you just break me out of jail? I mean,
Never.
please. No, I'm not even joking. I'm sorry.
Robbing a bank.
It's not a bank. It's a casino. Yeah. Ah!
Look at this outfit.
What?
I'll go and save you then, stranger.
I'm not a stranger.
Yes, you are.
I'm
He's a
not
stranger.
What?
He's a stranger.
I'm not your friend anymore.
No, he's a stranger. You snuck into my house. What an idiot. He snuck into my house. Literally snuck into my house. I'm not letting him back in. People sneak into houses. You don't let that. I'm gonna kick him out of jail. Is he even on this game? Yeah, he is. I'm gonna bust him out of jail. I'm gonna bust this man out of jail. I'm being nice. I don't want him to know. I don't want him to know that I'm doing this. If he does, then I'm gonna be actually pretty mad.
I found out I was under the table.
Oh God. Even though he knows I'm being nice.
Yay! I'm gonna go back under the table.
Where? Are you even in prison? Are you even in prison?
Yeah?
Show me!
Yeah, I'm
he
in
is.
prison.
The problem is, I don't really know where prison is. He's gonna be so mad when I upload this. Oh my gosh, the video's nearly ending. I'm gonna bust my jail and this video will end. By the signature, best place to find him. Oh my gosh. What's a car? He survives. This car is a racing car, I'll tell you that now. The Widowmaker. What's a car? It's free, which is good. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't be doing this really. I really shouldn't be doing Oi! It's a very sensitive car. Oh no! Oh my gosh. I shouldn't be doing this. Oh God's sake. No! No! Still in. I'm waiting. No, I need to